Hello again, everyone. Another job, and the job description for this is a maintenance setting or a reception, and or you are responsible to wait for the customer. So this job is located in Meidai district in Tokushima prefecture. So we need two people for this job. So again, the job description for this would be a customer service. It's a maintenance setting, reception, or you have to be responsible to wait for the customer. So this is again in Meidai district in Tokushima prefecture. So we need two people for this. This is scheduled for interview on Sunday, February 19 at our main office in Tokyo at Kanda Station. The salary for this would be starting from 200,000 yen, and there will be a bonus also for this job. So if you are willing to apply for this job, this is available for interview on Sunday. So every day in our main office in Tokyo, we do have a job fair and job interview. So if you are new here, you have to come in our office at 12 o'clock every day. We do have 50 companies that getting jobs for getting applicants from our office. So every time you come here, you get one free ticket for interview. So if you are willing to come to our main office, you can also call our office number at 036 206 8058. Thank you.